Burleigh Heads, or Burleigh as it's known to locals, is just over an hour's drive south of Brisbane. You know you've arrived when you spot the historic Norfolk Pines, a landmark of this coastal strip standing tall for more than 80 years.
Burleigh Heads is a popular beach destination for families, tourists and surfers alike. In fact, it's where a 16-kilometre stretch of the World Surfing Reserve begins and tracks all the way south to the border at Snapper Rocks.
The beach is protected from southerly winds, making it an ideal spot for a swim. If you'd prefer to stay dry but keep active, the Burleigh Head National Park is a must. Walk the Headlands Ocean View track. You'll be able to see all the way to Surfers Paradise and south to Coolangatta before arriving at Talabudgera Creek.
On a weekend, Talabudgera Creek is usually packed with people. In fact, you'd be hard-pressed to find a spot to put your towel down.
I've taken the rainforest circuit for the trek back to Burleigh. There is a steady incline, but once you reach the lookout, you'll be rewarded with a spectacular view.
In winter, you can watch the annual whale migration. It's quite spectacular. I've seen a few whales myself. Amazing when they're jumping out of the water. And if you're lucky, you might even be able to spot a koala up in one of these trees.
Burleigh is also home to some of the Gold Coast's best bars and restaurants, including award-winning oceanfront eatery Rickshaw's and the Burleigh Pavilion. Just up the road, you'll find newcomer Tart Bakery and one of my personal favourites, Restaurant Le Bart.
We focus simply on local ingredients as much as possible and we're seasonality. So yeah, we try not to complicate things. Our food and our approach is very simple, and the idea that we just want people to come here and have a good time both with food and wine and just enjoy yourself is quite important for us.
This seaside community is now a bustling shopping haven. From homewares to fashion and beauty, there's also something for the green thumbs.
Burleigh's always busy, so we're really lucky to have, constant foot traffic and a really tight-knit community, very supportive of the local businesses here. So yeah, we're really happy to be in Burleigh. We love it.
If you're looking for a place to stay, there are plenty of options. Burleigh Beach Tourist Park has self-contained cabins and space for caravans and campers. There's also an array of holiday apartments from mid-range to luxury.
Well, the best way to wrap up a day in Burleigh is to grab yourself some fish and chips, head to the hill, put out the picnic blanket and enjoy the sunset.